The Exhibitor's Handbook offers CAD files as part of our extensive library of tools that help save you, our valued dealer partner, time in the design, pitching, and sale of numerous display solutions. CAD files are available for over 1,000 displays, including formulate fabric structures, all exhibit kits and banners, back walls, hanging structures, arches, funnels, columns, kiosks, counters, and more. Modular exhibits and structures, exhibit kits, light boxes, counters, and kiosks. And all rental displays that fall into the fabric structure and modular display categories. Files can be obtained in two ways on the Exhibitor's Handbook website and are offered in a zip folder that contains 3 file formats: 3DS, DWG, and Parasolid. One way to find is navigate to the download sections of the Exhibitor's Handbook website, drill into the product category, then to the product and download the zip file. The other way to find is to navigate to the product itself, either by utilizing the search bar at the top right-hand side of the screen or through the navigation. Once on the product page, go to the Download section underneath the product images and video, where you will see the instructions, graphic templates, and CAD files. Once the zip file is downloaded, choose the file type that works best with your selected software, 3DS, DWG, or Parasolid, and import the display into your 3D environment. Here is an example of how to do so. With over 1,000 CAD files available, make efficient use of design time by using CAD files of off-the-shelf display solutions. You will be able to design faster, quote faster, and land the job faster.